Hey guys, welcome on Genius. This video I will show you detail about Gmail, like how you can easily create a Gmail account and how you can add extra layer security like two-step verification, and how can you add recovery email or recovery number, and how you can add security key. And at last I will show you how you can easily delete permanently your Gmail account. So without any time waste, let's get started.
Okay guys, we start this video from creating a new Gmail. So first, to create a new Gmail, we first have to open Gmail. Okay, opening Gmail and click on the DP or your name character as you seen on the top corner. Okay, click on the add an account, another account, and click on Google. You also open Outlook, Yahoo, and any other Hotmail email account from here. Okay, and click on the create account and click for myself. You also click to manage your business, but we open challenge for gaming. Okay, so we click on myself and type your name as your name, or you can also type your gaming channel name. So I type Genius Gaming. You put any name as you want, it's your choice. Okay, then type your date of birth. I recommend you should type above the 18 plus, because it valid all type videos you can see. Okay, and always try to type your own, creating your own Gmail address. It's easy to remember it. Okay, it's so like wrong. Okay, it's already taken, so I type another name, Genius007. Okay, yeah, you can see it's, and type a strong password, like you first put any alphabet. Okay, I show the password ABC, and you should type like special character like @ and hash, anything, and type a must use number, special character, and then type alphabet. So it's make a strong password, because it's prevent you like a brute force attack, like many type attack on the hacking attempt, so it prevent it. Okay, I type my choose. Okay, your account is open. Okay, my Gmail is already created. You also change the number. Okay, agree. So guys, you see how you easy creating a Gmail account. This, you can see how Gmail creating is easy. Then we have to set up our Gmail. So we open the Google Chrome or your favorite any browser. Then click on the three dot and open the desktop site. Okay, and type gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com, and it's opening. Our creating Gmail is opening now. It should to set up. So like we have to change it DP. Okay, so open Gmail and click on the personal info. In personal info, you change the name, your date of birth, and your gender, like anything. And to click on the select photo, you can upload your DP or your gaming logo or anything. Okay, we have to open our two-step verification. So we have to enable it. We click on data personalized. Okay, we have to go to security. Okay, we click on security and we click on the two-step verification. It's add an extra layer security on your Gmail, and it's prevent hacking attack. Okay, click on two-step verification and click on your email and type your password. I already typed my password and click on next. To enable two-step verification, you must to put your number and it send a OTP on your putting number. So I click on the continue. Okay, I want not and click on the continue, and you have to type your number where you want to getting the OTP. So if you, okay, I type my OTP. It's wrong, but if you want not to getting a number OTP, you have to choose the backup coding system. Okay, click on the reason not back, and you have to open in the use the another backing system. Okay. This 8-digit number is your backup code. You should download or print it. If you want detailed video about backup code, I will provide it on the I button. You can check out it. Okay, my backup code is successfully downloaded. Okay, and I can also add a security key. Click on next and click on the turn on. Then your two-step verification is successfully enabled on your email. and you also turn off your two-step verification on click on the turn off, and you can add security key like USB device or the Bluetooth key and your fingerprint system on your email. Okay, success, my security key successfully added. Click on the done. And next I will, okay guys, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Okay, and like this video. Okay, now you can see how you easily add recovery number or recovery email address. So I first add recovery email. Okay, this recovery email help you when you forget. Okay, type your password. Okay, recovery email help you when you forget your password, then it send a recovery code on your this recovery email. So keep reminded and type your trustable and your another email on your parents, brother, anything else. So type, I have successfully typed my, okay, you can see my recovery email successfully added on my email. When I click on the forget password, then it send a recovery code on this recovery email. Okay, at the last part of this video I will help you how you can easily permanently delete your email account. So click on the delete ad service. Okay, you should download the details or data or the chat on your device. So I will click on, if you already downloaded it, then click on the delete your account. Okay, then type your password. Okay, when you successfully type your password, then you should read the all instruction and check out those check mark. Okay, and at the last finally click on the delete account. You must to click those check mark in a minute. Okay, and click on the delete account. Okay, you can see successfully you delete your this creating email account. Okay.